Yesterday's thing has shown me how this collectivity of Switzerland has come up so well. So well. And it was really showing how we can progress. You all have talents, not that only Swiss have. You all have talents. You all have understanding. You are all intelligent. All of you are special people, and you have to work out in collective way and also individual way to show your quality of Sri Ganesh. The way he has rhythm in him. He's very rhythmic, and yesterday those two big musicians sitting, he said, Mother, they are so rhythmically clapping, they're so rhythmic. There's no ha ha hoo hoo, just clapping and so rhythmic. Nobody makes a mistake. Then they said when they sing also, nobody is out of tune. Normally, if 10 people are singing without proper training, then this are in alto, tenor, bass, everything. They go on. And you don't know what swar they have taken, on what note they are singing. But they were yesterday very amazed that all of you were singing on the same note. You wouldn't leave the note and come on to another note. That shows that the rhythm of Sri Ganesha is working in him, and his understanding of music, which is one of his qualities, is that he dances on the music of which Nataraja, the father, Shiva, has taught. It's very rhythmic. That part I think little bit Sahajogis are missing. That when they dance, they need not be all of them in very rhythmic pattern. They're all right, but still one has to learn a little more rhythmic pattern would be a good idea. As the Sri Ganesha, which is such a big stomach he has, he dances so well, so lightly, he lifts his body, and the way he works it out is amazing. How does he do it with such a short person, with such a thick legs? He is very light. And the lightness comes because of innocence. Muladhara. If the Muladhara is all right, then lightness is there. You have seen in Maharashtra how these people were playing the legium with such speed, with such lightness. They were lifting their legs and hand. It was really amazing how they were doing it.